guys, what's going on? Today we're doing the front splitter for the Roush. It's a little wonky because you gotta get like, I guess I needed another splitter here. It already came with one here, and it attaches to that and not just straight onto the body. So first step we're gonna get into is trimming off that excess piece that we don't need. Unfortunately, that's where all the 3M tape is, so see what we can do with that. We're gonna get this to work for sure, but yeah. So I marked it up approximately where I want it to go. I don't know what that is, but yeah, let's see what the fuck happens here. Yeah, say what's up.
What's up, vlog?
Well, this is fast forwarded about a couple hours. Phone died, started using Roman's phone. Then he took it away, and it kind of just got carried away with doing it. But I want to show you guys what I got here. So it's not the best job, but I did what I could with what I had. Like I shown you guys, this wasn't the correct bumper or splitter, so it wasn't the best from the jump, so we had to rig it up. I had to rig it up however I could. I got a couple scratches on here in the process, but it is all up there. Next thing to do is put the support rods up there, and she's done. Or actually, no, not done. I still want to put a weather strip in here. That'll be another day. We'll cut that part in, and then after that it should be done. Alrighty, there's the final product.
Very good.
Very nice.
Dude, have you ever smelled this thing?
No. I think I did a pretty good job. It's at the end of the video though. Alright guys, so we're back at it. It's another day, and we got some light out now. So the last step we need to do is put this super weather adhesive. I'm hoping that this will do the trick. All we really need to do, clean her up, and then slap her on in there. See how it goes.
YouTube video.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You?
YouTube.
Oh yeah, you do?
Yeah.
Really? For what?
Just cars.
This car?
Yeah. Me and my brother. Not many subscribers, but we just do it for fun. Pretty cool.
Elegante. You do my landscaping and up. You see how I look?
Yeah. Oh, I'll take a video for you.
Yes.
I'll take a video for you. All right, guys, this is the finished result here. I'm gonna be honest. It doesn't look great, but it definitely looks better than it fucking did. That's for damn sure. She had holes going all the way through. You could see straight to the fucking ground. But yeah, it basically just went like that all the way around. It looks like fucking shit. I'm not gonna lie, but try and see if I could sand it out on those rough edges when it dries up, and I think it'll look really good. So that's pretty much it. I don't know what else I could really do to make it better besides sanding it down, like I said. But yeah, I'm gonna close the video off here. All right, I'm done.